Hello students, today I am uploading some videos for the chapter water resource, chapter number 6 from the book India People Economy. So already we started this chapter, and today our topic, that is emerging of water problem, page number is 63. The per capita availability of water is dwindling day by day due to the increase in population. So that means the availability of water decreases day by day for increasing the population. The available water resources are also getting polluted with industrial and agricultural and domestic influence, and this is in turn is further limiting the availability of the usable water. So why the water resource decreases? Because of the fresh water gets polluted. How? It is getting polluted with the industrial and agricultural and like domestic influence. Next topic, that is deterioration of water quality. Water quality refers of purity of water or water without unwanted foreign substances. Water gets polluted by foreign matter such as microorganisms, chemicals, industrial and other waste. Such matters deteriorate the quality of water and rendered it unfit for human use. When toxic substances enters the lake or running water like rivers or streams, oceans and other water bodies like ponds, etc., they get dissolved or lie suspended in water. This results in pollution of water. And we already studied in different classes water pollution, what is water pollution, causes of water pollution, then effects of water pollution, etc. So we knew about this matter. Whereby quality of water deteriorates, affecting aquatic system. So when the water getting polluted, then the aquatic life system also affected by them. Sometimes these pollutants also seep down and polluted groundwaters. The Ganga, the Yamuna are the two highly polluted rivers in the country. So what are the two main rivers in India which are mostly polluted? That is, one is Ganga and second one is Yamuna. For these reasons, our country, our central government of India or our government take different initiative for water conservation and also for water management. So what is water conservation and water management? Since there is a declining availability fresh water and increasing of polluted water, so day by day the fresh water availability is decreasing, and we need for this reason we need to conserve the water and effectively manage this precious gift of God, and also for sustainable development. Given that water availability from the sea and ocean due to the high cost of desalination is considered negligible, India has taken quick steps and make effective measures or policies and laws to adopt for water conservation. Besides developing water saving technologies, there are also different methods which are attempted by people for conserving and management the pollution and also prevent the pollution. There is need to encourage watershed development, rainwater harvesting, water recycling and reuse, and conjunctive use of water for sustaining water supply in long run.